Hi everyone, welcome to Trade 8. This is one of the best YouTube channel if you want to learn how to trade professionally and how to stay in the market for a very long time. Continuous profit is our gain, not hitting the profit at once and losing it all the next time of trading. So this is what we are here for. Like I promised, I will be giving out the course, which is this, and we'll be referring to some topics. We'll be touching on some topics which are very important on this strategy. The main things you should be needing, the most important things you should be needing on this strategy is what I'll be talking about. I'll be talking about the indicator, I'll be talking about the candles, the flow of the market, time strategy, entry, and lastly, the risk management before we go on to the Bolin Japan entry for those that will be interested. But this is mainly for the EMA 10 entry and how to use the IBS strategy. Now, let's go in and I'll be giving out the indicators. We'll be making use of three indicators, which are the EMA 10, 90, and 350. Let me go in and add it up. Now, we have the EMA 10, which is this, just like this. You can set it the way it is on my screen. The period 10, exponential, apply to close, then choose whatever color you love. I love pink. This is it. The second one is the 90, which I don't do that all the time. I don't add it all the time. I'll still explain how the 90 EMA works. You can set it to blue, whatever color of your choice. Now we have the third one, which is the 350, and this is one of the important. Pay close attention to this one. I'll add it to pink. I love pink color. So this is how my chart looks like right here. This is how my chart looks like. So I'll be explaining this indicator because this is what I'll be talking about. This is the first topic we'll be touching, is the indicators, how they work, understanding how the indicators work, how you make use of these three indicators. These are the three indicators I use, but sometimes I don't use the 90. If you look at my screen, if you watch my past videos, you see that the 90, the blue indicator, is not always there. The 90 is not always there. I only use the 350 and the 10, but for those that still wants to add this one, you're free to. I will explain how it works. Now, let's go into how these indicators help me to take entries and make profit from it. First of all, we'll be dealing with the 350 indicator, which is this one here. The 350 indicator is the overall trend director. This, whenever time I see that the market is below this indicator here, the 350, it means the market is on a downtrend. Yeah, the market is on a downtrend. Sometimes the market is on a downtrend. There is usually a pullback. The market cannot move directly, like straight or in a linear way, without having a pullback. There must be a pullback, even if the market is trending upward or downward. There must be a pullback. That is where these 90 indicators and EMA 10 comes in. That is where they come in. Now, you want to know how to understand the 90 indicator, which is the blue indicator right there. This one here is just a sub trend director. This alone, I make use of it on the lower time frame of either the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes, depending on what time frame I want to trade in. I love trading on the 1 minute, 5 minutes. Not that is where I'll take my profits, but that is where I love making my entries because of how it reduces my risk. When you get to risk management, you understand what I mean. It reduces my risk. That is why I love the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. Sometimes I use 15 minutes just to reduce my risk. Trading is about reducing your risk. It's not about the strategy. Strategy will fail you, but your risk management will help you, guide you, and bounce you back whatever time you're making losses. I was a week I was running straight loss, like strict loss, straight loss. but my risk management with just one trade, I was able to bounce back on that trade for that week. I was almost at the peak of blowing my account, but just one trade revived the whole of my $200 account back then. Now this is it. Like I said, the blue indicator, which is the night indicator, is a sub-trend director. There is no way a market will move linear in a linear form without having a pullback in a downward or an upward form. There must be a pullback. Pullback must occur. That is where I use this indicator, like what you're seeing right here. You can see how the market is below this. This is a sub-trend director after the 350. When you see that the market is below this and below this, the 90 is below the 90 and the 350, you know the market is on a deep downtrend. Whatever thing you're trading should be sell, or if it's above, you should be buying at that point. There is no need selling there's no need selling when the market is above the 350 and the 90. You're going to lose money a lot of times. But when you see that the market is below this and this, you should be selling, should be selling, should be selling. It's a sell. Even if the pullbacks is occurring in a larger form, the momentum of the pullback is higher. Everything you should be trading is sell, unless the market crosses above this, above the 90. Sometimes the 90 is a kind of telling you how to last longer in how to stay longer in the market, or how to have a higher profit. When the market is above this, let me explain this better for you. When the market is below this one, just like here, and the market is above this one here, yeah, some of you think the market has actually changed direction. The market has not changed direction. There is a kind of correction. Sometimes it happens. I will show you in an example. There's a sort of kind of correction right there that the market is trying to correct. Now, if I'm trading when the market is above this one here and below the 350, I'll be scalping just a little bit, and I'll be scalping from let me show you clearly. I'll be scalping from here, and when the market gets closer to this pink indicator, I close my trade. I've been saying this on my previous video sometimes some years ago. Yeah, that was last year, because I created this channel just last year. Now I'll be closing my trade when the market gets to that zone right there, close to that 350. That is what I'll be doing sometimes if I want to trade for just a minimal amount of time, not for a longer time. That is what I do. Now let's go to the third and the last indicator, which is the EMA 10. This is one of the most important of it all. Let me take you back to the higher time frame. Now you see the market is below this. The market is below the 350. The market is below the 90. And when the market is below the EMA 10 at the higher time frame of your analysis, you know the market is on a deep downtrend. That is where I love trading a lot, when the market is just below at this point here. At this point here, this is where I love trading the market. That is just selling and selling. You'll be seeing a lot of that. You'll be seeing a lot of that on my videos. All the profit I've been making, the videos I make, the trends I catch is based on the market being below this EMA 10 or above the EMA 10, because this is one of the indicators for my entries a lot of times. So the EMA 10 is very important for you. It's very important for you to understand the market. It helps you understand how the market moves. When we get to flow of the market, you understand. To understanding the flow of the market, you will understand how the EMA 10 works, and helps a lot. So when the market is below this EMA 10, I trade. Everything will be selling. Everything here is sell. Even if it's there is let me explain this with an illustration on this. Let's say we are having this right there. Let me explain how that works. Let's go to the 1 hour. Now you see, some of you will say there have been a break of market structure at this level here. There have been a break of market structure. The market is actually going upward. You lie. You lie because on the daily time frame, you could see that the market is below this. This is just on that 1 hour, that was just a slight retracement or a pullback. That you see that was what I was saying, that when the market is above this, I will just tend to scalp and scalp, and when the market gets to this 350 indicator, I just close the trade because I know something might happen. A lot of times it usually happens. So a lot of things will happen gets to that zone right there. That is what I would always do. I don't stay long in the market. If the market gets to this particular indicator in a 350, I just close the market because I know there will be a reaction at that point. It happens a lot of times. It happens a lot of times. A lot of times it will happen. Yeah, that is it. A lot of times it will happen. You can start trading buy, but when the market gets to this zone, please just cut the trade off. That is it for the indicator aspect. I hope you understand and you get it. On part 2, we'll be talking about the candles for entry. That will be the next video. I don't want to make this long. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more coming up. So this course is just free. This is the course I've promised you guys, the EMA 10, how I take trade. A lot of you will be asking, how do I make use of this indicator? This is what I'm trying to explain. You have talked about the indicator. The next thing we'll be talking about is the candles. So stay tuned for more. Subscribe and like this video to motivate me to bring out more of my strategy on derivative broker. Have a way of trading these synthetic indices. That is how you should know the market.